Good morning, sir.
How was your weekend? What did you do for fun?
It was good, sir. I did I worked a little bit, uh ate some good food, watched some movies. Didn't really do much, man. How about you?
I think we had a quinceañera this weekend. Then had a birthday party, and then yesterday
Nice.
went with the granddaughter. Busy weekend.
Sounds good, man. Sounds like a good time.
Yeah, my kidneys were killing me on Sunday.
I imagine so. I imagine so. You ready to do some trading? Got 10 minutes. Like we're making a W, double bottom prior to the open after selling off all night long. It looks like we're concerned about the Fed meeting today. Other than that, I don't know of anything else going on. Maybe some oil stuff's happening. I believe they do have OPEC meetings all day today. I could be wrong. Let's check. OPEC meetings all day long today. Factory orders month over month at 10 o'clock. Economic optimism, tentative. I guess that means it could come out anytime. Ward's total vehicle sales all day long. Fed meetings at 2. Fed speaker at 4 o'clock. Not too much going on other than the FOMC minutes. I believe we're going to pause pause rate hikes on this meeting and raise them on the next meeting. I believe the market's expecting the same thing. Eight minutes. Hmm. 7 minutes. 300 was that previous level. Daily level at 300. There's some sellers up there. Got a few sellers up there. Buyers are spread out all the way down to 77. An unfulfilled order down here at maybe 35, 28, 35. Six minutes. Offers late this morning. Ernie's on his way to work. MJ's ready to go. Everybody's going to probably be slow and sluggish today. Late. 5 minutes. Four minutes. Get comfy. $8 ATR right now is kind of garbage. 3 minutes. Might be choppy today, MJ. $90. Looks like we're setting up to push, reclaim the losses overnight, but you never know. Patience. Patient, patient, patient. Everybody's late this morning. You must have partied too hard last night. Partied too hard. 1 minute.
What's going on, tacos?
Black Ops. Good morning, sir. Just in time. We got 20 seconds. We got FOMC today, sir.
Let's get ready.
Inez. Big bro. Good morning. FOMC today, sir.
What time?
2 o'clock. Here we go. Climbing. 300 is the daily level. Seller got ripped through. Rip. Little resistance right there. Rip right through it. Next. Ripping right through it. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's not going to be choppy today. We'll find out in the next few minutes. Patience. Rip it. Well, that's a fucking beautiful candle. Jesus. Lord have mercy. What is that? 30 points? A nice opening range. Top of the daily level's 330. We're almost there. We hit a high of what, 380 last week? That's the next daily level. Ripping. $345 is the open price. 56 is the high overnight. I suspect we'll stick to that 30 level for a minute. Maybe not.
Good morning.
Offer. Good morning, sir. You're 90 seconds late, sir. We got FOMC today. Be careful. Looks like it's not going to be choppy, but it's only been 2 minutes.
It was a massive candle.
I suspect the open price. Here we go. Open price 45. Hourly level at 40 to 47. Seller at 50. We've made back all the losses from last night, assuming we hold. This is very bullish price action right now.
Oh, this is fucking bullish.
Yeah. Pull back to 300 would be juicy. 1 minute on the opening range. Got 92, 341. It's a 50-point opening range, you guys. Beautiful. With a $7 ATR. Insane. $30 seconds. That ATR might open up a bit more. I mean, the opening range. Maybe not. 50 points, opening range. Will we get any follow through? Price action looks to be bullish. ATR is 11 points now, climbing. Let's get 20 points. Come on, ATR, let's go. Call out your trades, you guys. Don't be shy.
I'm flat,
Don't be shy.
but maybe this was a pullback.
Yeah, we should have bought that pullback. It's a little early for me. I like to be more patient. Let the chart develop a bit. That was a juicy pullback.
50-point rip, dude. Holy moly.
Yes, sir. 20 points on this candle, so the ATR is going to come up soon. There's the open price. High day is only 10 points away. Got that seller at 50. The last seller got his head blown off. See what happens with this one. They're coming down. 100 at 50. We got sellers stacked up all the way up to 362. We got factory orders at 10 o'clock. OPEC meetings all day. FOMC at 2 o'clock. Fed speaker at 4. New bar in 20 seconds. Ripped right through that seller. By the day.
I'm done.
We are fucking bullish.
What happened, MJ?
I'm done.
MJ.
I did my 1K. 1K
Yep.
already.
1K done for the day. 12-point ATR. Nice job, MJ. Got other accounts to trade, or is that it? Rip.
Just got filled on one.
Little bros
Go.
here. Call out your trades, guys. MJ, you failed us, sir. Didn't call out your trade.
Dang.
Damn.
Dang! Price action was very bullish and indicating
How many
the
loss
upside.
for you, bro?
We got some nice
Got
momentum.
filled on 3. Let's freaking go, dude.
We're at
I have 2
we're
more to be
Fuck.
filled at.
You're getting
at that.
paid.
Daily level 370s, 380s.
I went long 5 micros.
I believe this was the high last week. A little bit of sellers at 87. Red. $18 news. I don't think anybody's going to care about factory orders today. Yeah, that's a fresh high, you guys. Like last week's high was 92, 93. Take a look at the daily. High on the daily is 477. We've got a level from 72 up to 440s. Looks like we might climb and chug right up there. Could make a nice double top for another pullback before breaking out. We could pull off of the 83 for another pullback before breaking out. Very strong daily candle so far. We'll see how that plays out. It's only been 20 minutes. I don't have any other overhead resistance other than this daily level up to 40, up to 440.
I think that was NQ's monthly high that it's at right now.
think it was higher on the 3rd.
Yeah, it's just barely though. It's approaching that level.
Still only at 12.8 ATR, even though we're doing 60-point candles. 40-point candles.
Keep buying on the pullbacks of the micro. And then selling on the rip. And it's working somehow. Dang. Go.
Huge 15-minute bar. It's a 90-point 15-minute bar. 100-point hour bar. 15 minutes till news. High today is 83. I think that was last week's high. Tapped last week's high. I mean, new high. What's the S&P doing?
Push.
Ripping,
Check.
ripping.
Yeah, it's also ripping.
Let's take a look at the overall market. Nasdaq's green, the other two are red.
How much are you up, little bro?
500 bucks.
Damn it. Nice.
It's a nice gain for the day.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call it now. Get out.
Gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them. Know when to walk
511
away,
bucks. 6
and know when to
micros.
run. What was that?
6 micros, 511 bucks.
Nice. Today seems like maybe you should have just scaled out and stayed in with a small piece.
Yeah, I had to
Hindsight.
recover though. I was already low on my account. I'm still only 243 bucks above what I started at on Apex, so
Oh, that's not bad. Were you higher, or is your drawdown
my
good?
the highest I was at was I think like 700 above.
All right.
So I have like 500 on drawdown.
One more good day, you'll have your drawdown back.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, I'll see y'all later. I'm going to the gym.
All right, man.
Alright.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. That's the goal. Get paid and go away. Maybe we're having too much patience, Comfort.
Maybe.
Maybe. Ooh, nothing wrong with that. $12 minutes. Top of the hour, 12 minutes away. I don't need to stress about making a trade for the days because the payout isn't until, well, the one that would affect me is on the 15th, so I can be chill. I don't think I'm gonna look for a withdrawal anyways, but we'll see how it goes. That's 2 weeks away, week and a half. Everybody else, golfer, you could request today if you wanted to.
Yeah.
First through the 5th. Days on the 15th. 10 minutes, 11 minutes, $14 ATR. I believe the ATR is really 20 points, but it hasn't caught up yet. Another 2 more bars.
Why are we ripping so much?
Because we're in a bull market. Everybody's bullish. Last quarter's economic data was great, which is going to put a positive notion on this quarter's data. Other than that, I don't know. Asia was down. Usually Asia's down, US goes up, and vice versa. Otherwise, everybody's been off for 5 days, and they're dying to make money and trade, and we're bulls. So let's go. 10 minutes. We only have the minutes today, but I think it's still going to be. I think anything that comes out of the Fed's going to be volatile, regardless of if it's the meeting or the minutes. I think a raise would be a surprise, and a surprise could be juicy. Juicy, juicy. First pullback on the 15-minute. Second 15-minute bar. Hit last week's high and took some profit. Mark up that high from last week. Expecting the short-term trend on the 5-minute. Validated it, you could say. $15-point ATR now, getting better. Buyers at 72, 71. Sellers at 90. More buyers at 65. I think that's the trend line. Big old seller sitting up there at 400, 72 contracts. 400 is the number. We might push up to the high.
No trades?
Not yet.
Me either.
Call them out, sir. Don't be shy. Teamwork makes the dream work, so they say. Apex sale ends tomorrow at midnight. I suspect, as per usual, they will extend it probably till the 12th. You never know. Link in the description. Discount code and just in the description. Discord invite link on the screen. If you join the room, you got to satisfy the bot. Go to your private messages. Go do the CAPTCHA. Otherwise, he'll kick you out after 5 minutes. You won't be able to talk or type, I don't think. Back to the trend line. Buyers at 69, 70. Standing out. Sellers stacking up at 90, 92, and 400. 400, let's see. 400 still sitting there with 76 contracts. 90 at 92. 60 at 96. Looks like we may be forming a high base. Point ATR. 3 minutes till news. I suspect it's not gonna be much of a reaction out of the news, but top of the hour might give us a reaction. Strong hour candle, closing strong. Undecided 15-minute. Trying to close strong. Nice 5-minute chart, respecting his trends. Cooling off on the 1 minute. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Two minutes. Right back where we stopped on Friday. $90. Sellers aren't budging. Buyers are thin. Could indicate a move up. Fill those orders. Everybody's gonna feel like they missed out. They'll start putting the bid.
I'm short, trader.
You're short. Shorting
Yeah.
1 minute till top of the hour. We are at trend support. Let's see a break for going for previous high. Could be a target for you at 56. Open price at 45. We are bullish, sir, so cautious. $20.
And I got out. Made $200.
200. Let's go. You on your eval or funded?
Evo.
Let's
I
go.
need to get back my mojo. I don't want to fuck that account.
Looks like your mojo's good, sir.
Now I don't know what I should do. Should I cancel my ball when I go back to my
No, sir.
account?
No, sir.
So what?
Continue your eval. Withdraw from your funded to pay the data on your second funded account, sir. Once you
So
pass.
should I keep the account?
Yes, sir. Well, you don't have any reason not to keep the account.
Okay.
I mean, let's get it funded first. Don't get ahead of yourself. Top of the hour here, nothing happened. Good exit on your short right there at that bottom of that daily level, 72. Trend line. Trend line's broken, by the way, but we're trying to reclaim. Very short-term trend. We got us a high base, guys. I don't want to see it come under 64. I think I'm a buyer over 400 golfer.
Oh, you're ripping.
Yeah, I think I need to adjust this trend line over here. Buyers sitting at 483 contracts, 84. More buyers are sliding down from higher prices. New high a day, week high. Buyer, seller thin down to 69.
What a rip.
$15.
You are still flat?
Yeah, I might buy this pullback.
Be careful.
Always.
It looks like we make a top, double top.
30 seconds on this bar. Six at 400. Controls at 78.
Order filled.
I'm long.
I don't think it's a good idea
Okay.
unless some buyers come in and break that top at 98. But I wouldn't short either.
Might get stopped here. Trying to get in a little early before the breakout. Get a few extra bucks. Might cost me a few bucks. Let it work. We got a high base. If it breaks, I suspect we'll push 40. Let's go. I'm looking for, what am I looking for here, going for? 25 points.
I would like to. You should get out at 400. Will be a huge resistance there.
I believe you. I'll make a decision when we get there. I think it might blow it. I think it might blow it off. Let's go. We might get another pull before it runs. I could jump out early and get back in. Let it work. Everything looks good for a bull. One minute's riding the 20. 15 and 1 hour are bullish.
Stop filled.
Stopped. Dang. $200. One unit loss. 1 unit loss. I want a short, but I'm just gonna wait a minute. Got buyers at 62. We had a lot of buying at 68. $78 point of control.
Order
I'm
filled.
long again.
You got out?
No, I'm long again.
Okay. You had another contract.
I got stopped earlier.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
Mm-hmm. 1 unit loss. Let's go. Break 400. Go. Let's go. Get that new high. Get some follow through. Make this money. Very nice. Go. Broke 400. Next seller's at 15. I'm gonna move my order down, I think maybe. Go. Oh, let's go. 2 units in the green. Oh, that's 20 points. I should have locked that in. So let's go break even on our stop. See some follow through on this breakout. Go. Sellers are at 20. I'm gonna move my target to 17. 25. Go. 3 points to target. 3 units profit. Let's go. Don't be a dick for a tick though. Come on. Give me my money. I need to protect my drawdown. Let's go. Feel me. I'm gonna hit the
Order
ass.
submitted.
I'm out.
Order canceled.
2
You're fucking
units.
paid.
2 units profit. 240 bucks.
Only that?
Well, I was down 200. Remember? 1R.
But still.
1 unit. Well, it's a $500 trade, Gunker. Well, like 470 or something like that, man. I'm not doing exact math. I will never do
Really,
exact math. What do you mean?
470.
What do you mean, bro? Yeah.
You're up so much.
Well, I didn't get long till 88. I think my first entry was. Well, I think my first entry was 76.
Okay.
It was a good trade. It was a really good trade. Good read on the charts. Got in a hair early. It's okay, man. You can't be green on every trade. Handled my emotions very well. Didn't even let that unit bother me. I think my exit, I could have let it hit my target, I think, maybe. What was it, 1625? No, I wouldn't have got filled. I'd still be long. I think my exit was fine. I hit the ask 2 points below my target. 23-point trade, I think, roughly. Good trade, good trade. Can we have some follow through? Can we break this 440 level? This looks strong, man. I want to buy the next pullback unless this candle gets smacked in the next 20 seconds. Everything says be long. No reason to look for any shorts. We're about to cross on the 15 minute. We crossed at the open on the 5 minute. Riding the 20 on the 1 minute. A little extended, but let's get another push before we pull back. New high. Barely. If at all. I'm in my funded account, Gopher. I don't have any evals right now, but I might buy another one before the sale ends tomorrow. Link in the description. Shameless plug. Help me support the channel, guys. $17 APR now. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. That was a high base right there. Gopher, it broke out. Any luck, it'll continue. This is wave 3 on the 5-minute. Wave 3 on the 15-minute. Could argue wave 3 on the hour, but I don't know. Wave 3 is usually the strongest, but I think this daily level of resistance is pretty significant. That was like a 1 to 2.7 trade I had, Gopher. I'm trying to be more aware of my risk to reward on my trades. My win rate's kind of low, kind of mediocre right now. So let's improve both at the same time.
Let's go, trader.
I think this is day 3. I'm not really counting the days. Like I said, I got more than 10 days to the next withdrawal period, and I'm nowhere near breaking my trailing drawdown. That's going to be goal 1. Get above the trailing drawdown, get rid of that thing, get it out of our mind, out of our psychology. We can be a little more liberal with our drawdown after that point. Conservative, I mean. I said what I meant. Liberal. Both ways, we can be more liberal with our profit targets too once we break that drawdown. We're not seeing any follow through on this breakout. A little concerned, but plenty of time to show me the momentum. Buyers are at 400, 405. Sellers are stacked up at 420 and 425. Looks like a total of 120 points over that 5-point spread. Nice chunky buyer at 400, propping us up. Point of control still at 78. Overnight highs at 56. I wouldn't want to see a pullback under 70 at this point. I'm on a 2-month green streak. Gopher, what's today? 8? Day 8? Can't remember. Going for a 2-month green streak.
And that was your weekend.
It
Your
was good.
long weekend.
It was good, man. I did lots of relaxing. Did a little bit of working. Roommate smoked up some barbecue chicken, baked beans, green beans, potato salad. It was hot, very hot, as you would expect in July. $35. Top of the hour. End of the trading session for me. Are you just going to take your one and run today, Golf, or are you looking for another?
I think I'm just going to take one.
Very nice.
It- $110, not bad.
Little bro made his money and ran. You made your money and ran. Seems a
I'm
little
still
slow.
here. I'm still here.
Yeah, we're here. I think I might just take mine and run today too. It's essentially Monday. God, it sucks. It's such a short week. Tomorrow's Thursday already. We got big news tomorrow and Friday, Golfer. Big news. We might have a trade after the FOMC this afternoon. I might check that out. Maybe we'll go live. Maybe we won't. Join the Discord. Would have been a nice pullback on that last bar to purchase, but it's really slow. I don't like that. My patience would be wearing thin. We'll be getting close to a 20-point trade. 4 more points. New high. Would have been a nice trade. Could have locked in a little early. Could have held and waited. 2 more points. If we bought that 405 on the pullback, I'm saying. This is a very sharp trend that we've got going. Very sharp trend on the 5. 1 minute looks great. Not extended off the 20. Respected it in that cool off. Pointing straight up on the 5. Pointing and about to cross on the 15. Debatable on the hour. Hour candles are nice. No reason to look for any shorts, guys. Buy the pullbacks. I suspect 440 would be the top. The next level is like 700. Yeah, 760. It's a weekly level. We're not going to do that today. We're not going to do that this week. I suspect if we break the 440, we might push up and start developing some zones to trade
Top
next
Step
week.
is live now with the founders.
What's that?
Top Step is live with the founders.
Oh yeah.
They are. I think they are feeling squeezed.
I'm sure they are.
All things, one step, one rule, and much more.
Too late.
My God, these two guys, they probably got fucking rich with
Well, you know
Top
what?
Step.
It's better to arrive late than to never have arrived. Yeah.
Yeah, they would have to arrive because otherwise they'll go out of business.
Well, let's don't talk poorly of anyone. I know we're not speaking poorly, but don't get carried away. They're still a good company, reputable company, decent for beginner traders to learn risk management. Do you concur? You do. You just don't want to say it.
I don't know.
They helped you.
Man, I was complaining about Top Step for a while. They were fucking up everyone because I didn't understand why they were charging so much. I charge much less. The only reason they didn't charge because they have their competition.
Supply and demand, sir. You can't fault demand for doing business. The supply is increased, so they should be following suit. Simple economics, basic economics, the basic. Would I have gotten filled at 25? No, I wouldn't have. Would I still be long from 05? Yes, but probably would lock in. Probably would lock in at the top up there.
Second, I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay. Don't hurt yourself. I think we'll push that 440 today, the next hour, half hour. Sellers are sitting at 28. Nice size. Oh, they're reducing. Looks like maybe they moved down to 25. Partial. Yeah, I think they put some of their orders at 25. They put some higher too, and climbing. 30, 33, 32. Majority sitting at 28. Where did the point of control go? I don't see it. Still sitting at 78. Off the chart. I think we're about to push 430. I don't see any liquidity to the downside. Imbalance to the upside. Go fulfill those orders. Go fulfill those orders at 430. 428. Go. Let's see. Looks like the stream's lagging a little bit on my end. No problem. Fast forward. Let's go. Taking their sweet time to hit that 430. We got some liquidity now at 405. A little bit at 410. 410, that's on trend. I don't know if I trust this trend line. It's too sharp. Well, 20's caught up to price on the 1 minute. Quite extended on the 5. Crossed over on the 15, extended. Hasn't moved on the hour. Hour candle looks good. If we close over 400, I'd say that's another strong hour candle. 25 minutes. Current 15-minute is a little bullish, but a little undecided. If it's going to go up or not. look over here. Let's look over here. Yeah, we got trouble at 390s. We're already above that though. Could pull back to 388 and hit a support from last week's high. Looks like we might blow the top again. There it goes, new high. 25 would have filled. Would have been a 20-minute trade. I don't like.
I'm back.
Welcome back, sir.
We ripped more.
Yeah, we ripped that seller at 430. Now they're at 38. 38. Buyers at 12, 13. No liquidity anywhere, so probably pull back a little.
I gave you a like on your stream.
Oh, thank you, sir. Much appreciated. I'll give you a like on your trading today. I lied. We got some sellers at 38, buyers at 15, moving up to 20. We might go push that 40. Let's go. I don't want to call a top or anything, but I think 42, 45, maybe 50 might do it for the morning session. We might cool off going into Fed meeting, Fed minutes. We might just continue ripping. You never know. If I don't see something in the next 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna call it and kill the stream. Get ready to do my thing. We don't have any viewership yet. It's been a week. I suspected at least a couple people would come watch. Maybe we should join some Facebook groups. Nah. Nah. I need to possibly edit the live videos down and put them in the standard video section. Maybe do a couple shorts.
Yeah, that because most people don't want to see a video that long.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to find the lives because you have to actually go look for them. They're not just on the video on the channel. And you can fast forward. I could write in the comments where the trades are at, but ain't no rush. If you like watching winning traders, this is where it's at. Share with your friends and family. Let's go. 32 selling, 60 contract. Buyers are selling and sellers are getting tight together. Something's going to happen. I suspect a pullback to the trend. Maybe one more indecisive candle and then pull somewhere in the 15 to 20s. I need to figure out how to connect my rhythmic data to Bookmap. Get rid of this delay that we're having. We're kind of developing another trend here. In line with the old one though. Go ahead and mark it off. See what happens. We blew that high from last week. Totally decimated it. Could come back to check it though. 393. That would be down here. That would be in line with this high base. 1 minute's respecting the 20. See another trade here. $90 seconds for the, no, not 90 seconds. Yeah. 2 minutes to the new bar, 15-minute bar. Current 15's weaker than the previous. Still bullish. One minute could pull back to the 50. 98 at 98. That'll be a breach of both 5-minute trend lines. 5 minutes extended off the 20. How many points are we at on the day? Let's take a look at the market. Nasdaq's green, S&P is red, Dow is red, small caps are red, crude's up 2%, gold's break even, bonds are break even, choppy. Nasdaq is green. That's the only one. Take a look at the S&P. Rip through all the resistance. Not really a valid trend line here on the S&P, but it might validate it right now at 487. Here comes that 50 on the 1 minute. At 99 now, it's still climbing. We need to pull this 20 on the 5 minute up. This could be the opportunity here. 15-minute bar is going bearish with 1 minute remaining. Oh, I forgot to see how many points were up from the open. 291, 433. What is that? 140 points. We could do another 150 points up today from here. That would put us at 550. Is that right? Yes, sir. Correcto. Reach the 5-minute trend. Fed meetings coming. 3 hours, 15 minutes. Last 15-minute bar closed, doji. Gravestone, bearish. Current 15-minute bar trying to show strength.
Give me 5 minutes. I'm going to have a small call.
Yes, sir. I'll be back in a minute as well. I think I'll kill the stream here. I'm done for the day. But maybe we'll go live again for FOMC. S&P wasn't really a valid trend, but it's reaching. Due for a little pullback. 400 on the 1 minute now. These moving averages are starting to roll over. Don't really like that, but everything else is strong. A lot of false signals on the 1 minute. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Join us again for FOMC. If not, see you tomorrow.